what is going on there, but I feel personally that Mr. Siddaramaiah may be behind this. The reason I'll tell you. If you see, the Chief Minister cried in front of the camera and he quoted that he was being troubled by Congress. Now, have you ever seen in the independent India where a Chief Minister comes in front of the media and sobs and cries in tears and quotes that his alliance is making him to do that? We have seen. Basically, Congress में एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. नेता नहीं है, नीति नहीं है, निर्णय करने की क्षमता नहीं है, केवल नाती के है. What does it mean by all this? They don't have a leader. So we are talking about Rahul Gandhi. Did anybody else other than the family accept him as a leader? There is a problem. If you go and see, he's not been accepted. The Chhatraps were dictating him. You see, Delhi, Sheila Ji dictated terms. She did not have an alliance done. So there are many other things which you do. Nirnay does not have a power to decide, finalize things. Not even candidates, not even alliances. So Nirnay karne ki क्षमता नहीं थी. He does not talk about policy. In the entire election, he was just talking about things which gave him maybe probably some TRP, some kind of claps, but he never talked about any kind of policies in his talks. And they are all Nati ke. Nati ke means they are only related. So what is his call? His call is, my father was Prime Minister, his mother was Prime Minister, her father was Prime Minister. So you please vote for me. And he ties up with whom? Whose father was Prime Minister. So Kumar Swamy's father is Prime Minister, so he becomes Chief Minister. He is there. ये खाली नाती से देश चलेगा क्या? निर्णय करने की क्षमता नहीं है, नेतागिरी करने की क्षमता नहीं है, नीति करने की क्षमता नहीं है. You have to go down to the lines. You have to talk to the people who come from there and also get them together, which I see failing. Coming back to Karnataka, it is purely a problem generated by Siddaramaiah. Please go and investigate. If you feel a single paisa has been funded by any other person other than Siddaramaiah ji, Teshin bhai, we know each other for decade. We will not run away to face each other. I'm not even talking about Congress. I'm naming the person. Please go and investigate his own role. Then you will realize that कि आपके घर में सेंध लगी है, उसको बुझाइए. हम पे क्या सवाल जवाब.